Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Newark Liberty International Airport where the local time is 7:20 a.m. We'll be taxiing for a few minutes, so please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and carry items stowed until the captain has turned off the seatbelt sign. At that time, please remember to check your seating area, including seat back pockets, for your personal belongings. Use caution when opening overhead compartments as contents may have shifted during flight. For those passengers with carry-on items given to an agent while boarding, those items will be returned to you as you exit the